S24 Ultra will maximize your creative freedom with a wide-ranging suite of AI tools. Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a quad tele-camera system.
Best cameras yet. So we made sure that this epic quality carries over to your favorite social apps too. Our native camera experiences like nightography, super HDR, and video stabilization are now available through social in-app cameras. So we are excited to have partnered with Google to make Quick Share
is made possible because it's powered by an advanced suite of technologies. And it all starts with our latest AP, designed to deliver exceptional performance and lightning-fast processing speeds. Our state-of-the-art MPU is the fastest in the Galaxy series. We've also improved the CPU and GPU significantly, which enables seamless multitasking and video editing. Couple that with a long-lasting battery, and now you'll be able to enjoy even more gameplay. Plus now, gaming outdoors is even better. The entire Galaxy S24 series features screens with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits.
And Galaxy S24 Ultra is our most durable smartphone yet. For the first time ever, we're harnessing the power of titanium to give Galaxy S24 Ultra a super premium feel and durability. It's more vivid and more visible. Galaxy S24 Ultra is iconic, creating a cohesive look that seamlessly combines the display with a durable armor aluminum frame.
Features a minimum of 50% recycled cobalt, while all the magnets in the speaker are made from 100% recycled rare earth elements. Every Galaxy S24 series comes in a box made from 100% recycled paper material.
The Galaxy experience is reaching new heights with all new ways to connect, create, and play. So we've seen how AI can help you communicate, but it can also help you be more productive. Heejin, want to tell us more?
Today, Galaxy S24 Ultra will maximize your creative freedom with a wide-ranging suite of AI tools powered by an all-new Pro Visual Engine. Tara, are you ready to show everyone what the Galaxy S24's camera can do?
When we went to see K-pop band Tomorrow by Together, we brought along the Galaxy S24 Ultra to replicate the fan experience. See, although it's a dimly lit environment and we were far away, with the Galaxy S24's nightography and spacesuit, we were able to zoom in to see TXT as if we were in the front row. And from up front, in the dark concert hall, we could clearly capture details, even their facial expressions.
Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a quad tele-camera system, including a new 5x optical lens and a 50 megapixel sensor, so you can take high-quality videos and photos from afar.